your presentation.
Hello, I'm Ana Beatriz Oliveira. I'm responsible for a health facility, and I'm here to share what I learned at the project. Oh, that's the summary. And the internal design is going to be sent at the group probably tomorrow. And the applied technologies, it's like medicated fractionator for all the crew to in case of for health problem, and a nebulizer for breathing problems, and a pressure guard and a 3D printer. Possible resources generate in situ discarded from Earth as like medicines, food and water, and gas that can be used like a way to charge something. The management in the top we have the rare facility chief, and we have the assistant and a researcher like a biologist and a technician. The manager cares about physical and mental health. It's like the top that cares about everything that happens. The main doctor has physical health, like training and straight to keeping with the crew health. The psychology reps with mental health, like isolation and staying without your family, your parents, and so on. The asthma training program comes with a first aid, the teamwork, and a psychology training, because we know that being isolated is really difficult, and first aid is necessary in case of having some problems that can be solved without a doctor. And teamwork is really important because you need to have something with your friend side of you and be always creative. And that's something to videos to German astronauts you can search later. And the research there for a week is like between 2,000 and 3,000 calories per day. And our water is necessary to drink more than 2 liters. And protein is more than 8.8 grams per kilo of your body, not for food. Guidelines to be provided to other facilities is the interdependence between the facilities themselves was important in the core, so they will come to something so important as structure. We provide with the others is really important and find the points that intersect and work together. Each worker needs to have a balanced routine with specific time to elation their work. The work time is recommended between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. And the observation time is to 10 p.m. to 12 p.m. Do not use gas for objects or applicants. Always be careful when selecting the plants that will be used in meals. Protocol for occupancy entertainment. Board game is really great for using your time, and logical reasoning games to improve your thinking and problem solving skills. Problem solving skills is really important during the day because we have some problem, we need to solve it as fast as possible. The air quality is intimately linked to plants, so the vertical garden was to raise a way to provide complements for bills and also as a search of clean air. Being sustainable is something admirable in a scientific environment. Conscious and positive views can lead to success not only in scientific environments, but also in external relations. So that's my presentation. My Instagram's Ana_Beatriz_Oliveira as 2. My mail is here in the screen.